How to create AI song covers. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, you will need this platform called covers.ai. Just open it up and click on try the beta version, and this is the platform that we will be using. But over here we will be requiring a song. So just download any song of your choice, and in order to get better results, it's better to upload just the vocals of a particular song and then adding the background music after that. So for that you can use this particular website called x-pro. Over here you can just simply upload any song and get the vocals and background music separated. This way you would be able to download the vocals and background music separately. After that, just select the song over here, and then you can select any voice or AI voice for that matter. It can be Cristiano Ronaldo, Donald Trump, or Elon Musk, or Kylie Jenner, or anyone of your choice. And this is how you do it. After that, provide the email and click on let's go. This way you will receive the email consisting of your AI cover. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.